Today, we celebrate you in conversation with Mother Mary and Saint Germain. Mother Mary, you are the very reason why we are here. You are the wind, the trees, the cool fall air, the warmth of the sun. Christ is not limited to strictly animating one body. It animates many and has many perspectives and experiences. Christ is the formless in and outside of form. Saint Germain, when we are still, we illuminate from within. The light leaves the borders of the body and joins with all light everywhere. We are the wisdom, the creative force itself. Mother Mary, we have no worries or fear. Whatever situation we find ourselves in, we will experience it with love as our guide. Saint Germain, we are the light in a dark and heavy world. Our light transcends everything. Mother Mary, the light, our light, is a gift from God. It is our identity. It is what we truly are. Saint Germain, in stillness we shine. What will love have us do here? What will love ask? Mother Mary, this is our mission and calling, to respond to love by simply being our true self, the Christ, the transformative power from within you. Saint Germain, with these simple words, truth has been spoken.